You're watching Fox 47 News at 10. Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, it was cool but sunny today, Caleb, but what would you rather have, like a cool day like today or one of those hot 80-degree days that we've seen this week?
That's an easy question. I'm glad you asked it. A cool day. I'm not a fan of the real hot weather, so yeah, this weekend's been a nice one for me. Mid-60s yesterday, or today, that's pretty good. And then tonight, though, it's going to get a little bit cold. So before we get there, right now we are sitting at 55 degrees. So our lows this morning were 52 degrees. So we've fallen off real quickly. Not any clouds to be seen right now looking at the MSU Skycam. When there is clouds, it kind of acts as a cap on the atmosphere, so it keeps some of that warmth trapped at the surface. When you lose the cloud cover, that warmth is able to escape, which is kind of what's happening overnight. And it's going to get real cold, as I said. Today's high temperature is 68 degrees in Lansing, 68 in Elma. Looks like we got to 68 in Owasso, Mason and Howell, Marshall, Coldwater, and Battle Creek as well. Wow, that was a popular number today. And yeah, so the satellite and radar right now, we're sitting high and dry right now. No clouds to speak of. You can kind of see some cumulus development we had during the afternoons. We had a lot of cumulus clouds overhead, but those did since dissipate when we lost that daytime heating. The instability dissipates, and those clouds, they dissipate as well. So as you zoom out, we can see the influence of our nice weather. It is high pressure centered over Wisconsin. This huge swath of high pressure really extending from Winnipeg down all the way to Cincinnati. That's what's going to be our weather maker for tomorrow. It's going to settle over us, bringing some cool Canadian air to us. Now what happens though, eventually that high does slide off to the east, and the high pressure does rotate clockwise. So what that does is when it departs to the east, we're going to have a return flow in its wake, pump a lot warmer air into our region. So we'll have a warm up next week then. Hey, here's the temperatures right now. We are sitting at 55 in Mason, 56 in Lansing, 55 in St. John's, 52 in Elma. Looks like that is the cold spot. That's going to be our cold spot overnight as well. The further north you go, the colder your temps are. Here's a future track. It's not very exciting, but wait until the very end for some activity to show up. But overnight tonight, we see mostly clear skies. Again, the temperatures are really going to plunge. Because of that, we're going to have clear skies, calm winds, temperatures falling into the 30s. We'll see some patchy frost develop, especially in our northern counties. Central Michigan northward, we'll see potential for freeze also. So if you have any family in central Michigan northward, maybe just let them know. Might want to bring the vegetation inside. So starting off things tomorrow, we'll have mostly sunny skies, kind of continue through the day. I mean, there's nothing showing up at all on future track. Tomorrow is going to be a gorgeous day. I expect a lot of sunshine, but still temperatures are going to be on the cooler side with highs in the mid-60s. Beginning on Monday, we start to see some high clouds moving through the day. We do see clouds thicken up. That cloud deck thickens and lowers. And then Monday evening, I think by the late evening hours into the overnight period, we see some showers and thunderstorms roll through. Here is the temperature trend. So we start off cool, but you can see we start to get a lot warmer. Tuesday, 80 degrees, 82 by Wednesday, and we stay in the 80s through the work week. And then look at this long-range outlook. It's going to be above average temperatures pretty much the first 2 weeks of June. So the warmth is here to stay. Just got to get past tonight. 38 degrees for a low, mostly clear skies, patchy frost, but the winds becoming light. It's going to be a cold one. Hopefully you haven't packed your coats away yet. Tomorrow the forecast 65 degrees, so seasonally cool. A cold start with sunny skies with all that sunshine. Again, our temperature is really struggling to climb through the 60s. Here's the 7-day forecast. So after the cold start, sunny skies Sunday, we'll see increasing clouds on Monday as that high pressure begins to depart to the east. We will have a chance for showers and thunderstorms Monday night into Tuesday. The chance for showers lingers early on Tuesday. Scattered thunderstorms more widespread Wednesday. And look at those temperatures. We stay in the 80s all week. And then we see another chance for showers next weekend. Nicole?